Today we are going to learn spread the list. Now let's get started. I'm going to switch to my VS Code. Here you can see I have a nested list and convert it into a single list. Let me create a dummy list. I'm going to call it as temp. Then I'm going to run a for loop for I in L. Okay. Then I'm going to write a condition over here. If is instance, if is instance I of list. So we should not write like this. It should be I comma list. Okay, here we are checking whether I is a list or not. If I is a list, then what we need to do is we need to do temp dot extend, because we want to convert this to into a single list, right? Not an nested list. So we want to do use extend. If it's a normal element, on that case we are going to use append, temp dot append of I. Okay, let me run the code. Before that, let's wrap this function call inside a print so that we will be able to see the results. And here we need to return temp. Let me return here. I'm going to use return temp. Okay, let me run the code. We should see 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a single stretch. Here you can see. Thanks for watching.